How well do you think you know your Excel shortcuts? We will find out today. Hello everyone, welcome back again to Excel with Ugo. In today's video, I will show you 20 essential Excel shortcuts that will save you time and boost productivity. Make sure you watch this video to the end to test yourself and see if you can beat my time. Your time starts now. Now moving to our Excel spreadsheet. These are all the information we'll be working with. This column contains the shortcuts we'll be using in this video. This contains the actions, whilst this contains the instructions, which will more or less guide you on how to use the shortcuts. Then this side contains all the data that we'll be using to practice the shortcut. Here is your own practice sheet to enable you practice to see if you can beat my time. These are also some useful tips to guide you. So what I will do next is to go and put up my stopwatch for us to time ourselves. So I will start with the first one on the list, which is Ctrl Z. To enable me perform that action, I will type first this useful information, which is subscribe to Excel with Ugo. So in case you have not done so yet, kindly do so immediately. What I'll do now is to press Ctrl Z to undo what I've just typed, and for me to redo it, I'll press Ctrl Y. Of course, that's an important information that should not be undone. So moving forward, I'll press Ctrl C to copy, then come over here and press Ctrl V to paste. The next on the list is to bolding this information using Ctrl B. Ctrl B is used to bolding. Then to highlight, I'll press Alt HH, then select my preferred color to highlight my text. Oops, I'll do that again, and yes, that's fine. Okay, so the next on the list is to press F4. F4 will help me repeat the last action, which is the highlight that I just did. Now to do a quick navigation, coming over to my data, I want to navigate from serial number to salary. I will be pressing Ctrl and right arrow key to enable me do that quickly. If I want to apply filter to this table, I'll be pressing Ctrl Shift L to achieve that. Now you can see our filter. Now to do a quick auto sum of these figures, I'll come over here and press Alt equals, and if you see, we have the total of these salary figures here already. Now to put our bottom double border over this total, I'll press Alt HBB, and you can see our bottom double border has appeared. Now to convert this range of data to a table, I'll press Ctrl T to achieve that and press OK. You can see this has been converted to a table, but I won't do it so it doesn't mess up with our work. The next is Ctrl D to copy a data down. From the cell with the data you intend to copy, hold down your Shift and down arrow key and press Ctrl D. The next is Ctrl R to copy to the right. From the data you intend to copy, hold down your Shift and right arrow key and press Ctrl R. The next on the list is Ctrl 1 to format cells. Let's say we want to put a currency in front of these salary figures. So I'll press Ctrl 1 to go to my format cells dialog box. Then I'll select currency. Then from the list, I'll select, let's take this first one here and press OK. And as you can see, our currency is in front of the figures. The next on the list is Ctrl Space. Ctrl Space helps you select a column. So just place your cursor on any cell in the column you intend to select and press Ctrl Space, and it selects the column. Whereas for the case of a row, you use Shift Space to select the entire row. The next on the list is Ctrl 9 to hide a row. So since this row is already selected, I'll press Ctrl 9 to hide it. Then to hide a column, I'll press Ctrl Space to first select the column, then press Ctrl 0 to hide the column. The next on the list is to put a date. And to achieve this, we'll be using Ctrl semicolon to put our date. So this is the current date of making this video. And to put the current time, we'll use Ctrl Shift semicolon to put the time. This is the time of making this video. And the last but not the least is Ctrl S. This helps us to save our work. You must always ensure to save your work after you're done. So this here is the 20 essential Excel shortcuts. So how well did we do with our time? 3:33. This is fair enough. I'll be putting off the stopwatch now. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comment section how much time you spent, and if you beat my time also, let me know that too. Remember to gain mastery using Excel shortcuts is a gradual process. You don't have to cram them all. The more you use them, the better you get at it. Now we have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Hit the bell to also get notification when I post videos like this and to enable you get more Excel tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in other videos. Bye for now.